go, go. 2 points. Wow! Ako, daki ko, PJ ha. Picture ko, PJ. Video ko, PJ. Video ko, PJ. Video ko ba? Ako na sa tayo. Last one ha. Maski to dua kok bilang siya. Dua. Loko. 2 points, yay! Tagal na GM man. Nako. Oh. Bye. Tara. Eh. Kay lagi ba ninyo eh? Ay, Delight. Fatima, come up. Hey. Watch out for your thing, oh. PG, okay, bye. Take care.
Let's go here. Let's go. Where you going? Let's go.
Bye, take care.
Dance. Dan 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 dan
That's enough. Wow, good, very good. Very good. You dance good.
You want some?
I-erase ang music.
Kiyata, oy. Ala ka na, nata na. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Sige na, bye.
Are we going to be able to cross the road and get into that parking lot?
We have to make a turn.
That's the whole thing. Am I going to be able to get in that parking lot, man?
It's cloudy.
they already put something.
Okay.
That's okay. Fine.
Kapti na gud. Ana.
Isa may nag-angga anay na pangalan na exotic. Ano ka rin eh? Oo, maganda. Agi pangalan? Mga edad ninyo, mga, of course, mga teenagers na muna. Okay. At mga contest. Okay? Ha? Sige. Mga K-pop kasigaran. Ano? Ha? Mga hip-hop. Mga hip-hop ang kasigaran. Okay, sa may TikTok niyo.
Asan po ninyo?
Okay, balik.
DG girls, here. Next is the Majesty. Okay, Majesty. Next is the Dauntless. Ito na rin to Dauntless. Okay, girls, Anita Gabe, here. Dauntless, and next is the Unique. The Unique, ito na rin to. Unique, and the next is the... Okay. Pagpaka na ito mga higala. And thank you very much sa ito mga jurados, no? And once again, thank you Miss Erlyn. Thank you Miss Ira. And thank you very much Mr. Mark. Okay. Can we step forward? Backward. Okay. So this time, naakoy, di ba? Of course, makay na kayo mong sayaw. But this time, tanaw na to how knowledgeable are you when it comes to dancing. Okay. So, naakoy representative na step forward. Okay, here, how about the G girls? Okay, the G girls, isa ka, G-Girls. Okay, tagay ko isa ka representative. Sige. Ikaw sa. Representative sa, then pagkawan. Okay. Next is the Majestic. Next is Dauntless. Dauntless. Next, the Hot Girl. And the Exotic. Okay. Asa si Exotic? Dere. Okay. Before niya, tanaw na ito usa-usa sa ni. Tanaw na ito mga igala while nagkuha pa ito mga Horados. Do not have music but I don't know kung unsa ang ipatugtog nila. Okay. When I will ask, for example, gusto nyo G-Girls. Nahin mo sayaw. Dauntless, nahin mo sayaw. Then all of you sayaw. Okay. Let's the battle begin. Kamusta? Ready? Go! Go!
Okay.
Yes. Sige. Bisa. Go! Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, let's have the G-Girls. But again, busy pa ang ato ang mga Horados karon, no? And let's talk about the prizes at stake here. Okay, unsa man ang ato ang mga prizes here? The next girl, G-Girl. Isa ba? G-Girl, anita din eh? Hindi, usa lang kabo. Okay, here G-Girl. Next, Majestic. Dauntless. Hot Girls. At dito Hot Girls. And the Exotic. Okay. The question is, kinsa nila mga higala kaha ang ato ang first place? Si 1, 2, 3, or 5? What's that? Number 6? Number 3. Number 2. Okay. Number 2. Daghan ang number 2. Na ay daghan sa number 2. Number 1. Number 2. Na number 3. So, murag number 3. O, daghan, no? But, this time, this is it. Oh, this is it. Number, kisa may, with your clap gonna be, number 1. Number 2. Number 2. Number 3. Oh, mas daghan ng fans. Number 4. Daghan siya number 5. Sige. Thank you very much. And, dadakang nga mga Horados karon, Miss Erlyn. Stay backward, ha? I would like to call on the Horados to come to join me here. Okay, Ma'am Erlyn, si Mark, and Ira. And please get the... papakala to mga Horados, mga galaan. Once again, daghan kayong salamat, Metro Quezano. Okay, and the champion, Busaya mo balik. Busaya mo balik. And Hear that? This is it. Dapat tayo suspense nga kuan, nga music background. There. For the third place, they got 90%. Isa may muhatag sa third place, Miss Ira. How are you? Congratulations to
The Hot Girls.
yeah. Congratulations to you. Yeah. Oh yes, and the group. Yes, and the group, and the group, and the group, and the group. Yeah. Yeah. Daghang salamat, the Hot Girls. Thank you very much. Here, go back. Kinsa ka ninyo? Let me call my friend here, Mark Daniel, to join me here. For the second placer, they will receive 4,000 pesos. And the score, the points is 90.6%. Congratulations to
Congratulations to the Exotic.
Congratulations to the Exotic. Okay, murag for sure nga kani nga grupo nga atong i-mention, unanimous man ni or lain yapon mo. Lain mo og griso. Lain. Pari-pariha. Okay. With a score of 92.8%, you will receive 5,000 pesos and you will dance again. Congratulations to the Dauntless. Yes, congratulations to the Dauntless. And of course, you will receive 2,000 pesos each. Daghan salamat mga higala. And of course, this is a picture, all of you, all of you. And once again, ladies and gentlemen, karon na ito ang pinaka-last day sa ito ang sidewalk sale again to the type up to 70% off ang ato ang diskwento. And once again, congratulations to our third place, to the third placers. Thank you and congratulations to Hot Girls. And the second placer, the Exotic. And the first placer is Dauntless. And of course, as I promised you earlier, the first place will dance again. Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, yes, ladies and gentlemen, let's have the Dauntless. Daghang salamat nato tanan, and once again, this has been Brian Cabase. God bless you all.
to be